Big boy, did you say California Zephyr earlier? Oh, it's coming. No, when you go to Stone again, right?
Y'all gotta be back beyond faith. Yep, down. There we go. Nope. I'm an idiot, bro.
Couple quick facts while we're sitting here waiting in 108-degree weather near Palermo, California, for the big boy to go roaring past. It's 132 feet long, and it weighs 1.2 million pounds. That's right, 1.2 million pounds. It's hinged in the middle so it can take tight turns. It was made to conquer mountain passes. It was built in 1941, retired in 1961, and rebuilt entirely, top to bottom, in 2019. Still waiting out here. Let's have some more nerdy facts for our Finding NorCal video about the big boy. Number 4014, 25,000 gallons of water it holds. Coal, it holds 56,000 pounds. It's a piece of American history, Union Pacific history, Woohoo! How cool is this? It's one of those once in a lifetime moments. Holy hell, that was loud. That was so freaking loud. Like, wow, loud. Oh my goodness. And show's over. The train tailgating party is over.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that. Yeah, it puts out a big stream of air on both sides. It's surprising what a train will do.
Oh, I know.
They should be slowing it down, keeping it at somewhat.
Supposedly 40 miles an hour.
Ain't exactly coming fast.
This video rolling. Oh my god, I just can't see my dad.
I think I got
That was loud.
That's just a damn video.
Oh,
I already got a bunch of pictures down by the depot.
okay.